Hi, Planner Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs on YouTube. And we are at the end of February. Can you believe it? Starting Tuesday is March 1st. So we're going to be planning the 28th of February through March 6th. Great planning? We'll see. So, I have no appointments this day. First thing I want to do is get my priority sticker and put it on the top here. So, I'm using stickers by Denise Albright and by Crafter Square. And I will try to link it down below if I can. Oh, and look, I can use this as big washi over here. And then we have one of our famous little thingies here. And then our Thursday takeout, but doesn't mean that I actually get it. I usually make a little thing that looks like takeout, but it's not takeout. I just put that there. So, I also have to find some reminder stickers. Since it is February, I'm going to put the red roses from the stickers that the company that sent me the planner put in the planner. So, and we can take, where's my little piggy with the dough in it? There we go. We can take one of these and put down right here. And then I'll put something there. And then we can take one of our I Love Today stickers. Put it over here. I just put it anywhere. I don't worry about any specifics. So no matter where I put it, it all means the same thing. So oh, I need one of these on Sunday. And I need a family fun day, which I probably ran out of. From the looks of it, I think I have. I think I ran out of family fun day stickers, y'all. I'll have to contact Miss Denise and ask her to see if she has any more of the family fun day stickers and appointment stickers so I can get them, so I can purchase them from her to put in my planner. That's our decor stickers, y'all. So, we got our priority. I need appointment stickers. I need be here by stickers. I need chore stickers. Ugh. Yep. Well, you know what I'm going to do for chores? I'm going to put this and that. I'm going to mark that at the bottom. So let me fold this over and put that and that. So we're going to put this butterfly in here. If we can get it off the sheet here. And I'm going to put it right over here on Sunday. And these aren't repositionable. I hope they are. No, they're not. Well, whatever. That's alright. So Friday, let's see, Monday, Wednesday, yes. Remove this, then, and put that. So it'd be add that. And then for the smaller one, I'm going to use as a reminder and put the word time on Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. REM is a remember. Okay, so got that. So I don't have no appointments on this time. Okay. Nope. No appointments, guys. So I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get reminded of when I go live, when I do. Oops, a daisy. Hang on. We got to put our March on here because this day starts March right here. Oh, that's crooked. That is so crooked. There we go. So now I can say my little spiel. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for your support. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for your support. It's greatly appreciated. Remember, you always wear everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be a planner, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy planning on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.